You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, the Old Testament, more biblical names, make sure to stay tuned here. Got loads to learn here. And like the video if you found it useful. Amalekites is how it's pronounced. Let's break it down. Amalek, from the name Amalek, Amalekites, Amalekites. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.